today we've got a bag of stuff. So, for context, I've been after some spare bulbs for my sets of 20, the small screw-in 12-volt bulbs, and I've been struggling to get spares. They're seemingly few and far between, and I managed to find this job lot, I suppose you could call it, for, I think it was, in total it was about £14 posted, and the pictures were not great. I asked them for more pictures, but I think they were an elderly person and they didn't quite understand. But I got this bag of stuff. Let's have a look and see what we got. Got a Noma flasher unit. It's a push-in. I've already got one of these somewhere. But camera's not working today. Come on, camera. There we go. So I've got that. Got these Woolworth Winfield type push-in lights. It looks like the darker coloured bulbs are the original ones. I'll have to cross-reference and see exactly which maker they came from. They've got the ribbed bases, so they might be Woolworth or Winfield. Looks like it's a set of 20. There's a few bulbs missing, but we have two matching pair. So we'll have a little look at them. We might be able to get one of them working. The fuse bulbs are a little bit black. I think that one might actually have blown. But we'll see, we'll have a little play with them. So at the moment it's all pushing stuff. Then there's this. And I was a little bit unsure what this was. I thought it was just like the end piece of a set of low voltage lights, but I think this could possibly be from a nativity set scene. So we got 6 bulbs possibly running on either battery power or 12 volts. So these bulbs would be about what, 2 volts each. There's nothing written on them, but we'll have a test of those eventually. A set of Bake-o-lite bulb holders, set of 12 for the 20 volt olive cone or figural bulb lights. Still got the bayonet fit holder, no bulbs unfortunately, but it's a solid set. All of the wires are in place. These ones don't have the red berries that you can use to hold them onto the branches, but it's intact. Again, I'll have a little cross-reference and see exactly what set they are from. Excuse me, what brand they are from. Now, the reason I bought this job lot was for these lights. We've got a set of 35 Pithco dual lights. From the pictures it looked like a set of 20, but unfortunately it's a set of 35. I do have plenty of spare bulbs for these. They are not in very good condition. Let's have a look. You can see there's a looks like where a bulb holder has gone walkies. I'll have to count them just to make sure. This one has gone completely. I did have a look in the bag to see if it was there, but it's not there, so I'll have to sort out some kind of replacement. I have a replacement lamp holder, but it's for the separate shades, but it's better than nothing. I don't know why, but all of these bases seem to be cracked and cloudy. There's no rust, but that one's cracked. This one especially is cracked. I have no idea why it's so cloudy like that. Very, very messy lights. Most definitely in need of some love. I mean, they've got a plug on them. Maybe we could plug them in and see if they do anything when in Rome. This bulb holder has got a zip tie on it. Looks like it's holding it together. Get out of the way, you. Right, so we've got this one. There's our bare wires. I will put them together. Do not try this at home. I am a trained idiot. Write your answers in the comments if you think they're going to work or not. Right, let's turn them on. No shocks there. Yeah, I'm not gonna play too much with them. I'll turn them off. But yeah, pickings can be slim sometimes with eBay, but we've got 2 sets of push-in lights from the 80s. Actually, are these sets of 40 or 20? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It looks like they're sets of 40. 2 sets of 40. Interesting. Well, that must be the flasher unit that was used for them, because these flasher units you can use with 20, 35 and 40. But yeah, that's what you can get for 14 quid these days. We'll have a little play with them, see if we can get them to work in another video. But that's it for this one. If anybody's got any spare screw-in bulbs, a set of 20, let me know in the comments. I'm after about 20 just to keep me up to date, because I've got a lot of lights and they all need a spare bulb here and there. The new ones are a little bit too expensive for my taste. I prefer old ones as long as they still work. Doesn't matter what condition the paint is, because as you know, I refurbish them. But anyway, I'll catch you on the next one.